Okay, here's the all the wood they had to bring in to get things acclimated, to let it breathe or whatever before they install it. And here's the carpet that they're gonna pull up. There's the dog. This is where he started cutting out to put the hardwood under the trim. And he put glue down here, because we have a slab. He said if you did it up there, it would be. Those little red things they use to space away from the trim so it can expand. Okay, so they're finished up and it looks beautiful. We're missing one piece of trim right here, which needs to come in, and we'll be done. It's beautiful.